Swizzly and Rebel, two rising stars in the Jamaican music scene, took center stage at Pier 1 on the waterfront in Montego Bay last night. The air was thick with anticipation as the crowd gathered, their excitement palpable under the Caribbean moon. As the sun dipped below the horizon, Swizzly stepped onto the stage, his dreadlocks swaying to an invisible rhythm. His voice, a blend of honey and fire, resonated through the open-air venue. Rebel, equally captivating, joined him, her energy contagious. Together, they wove a musical tapestry that transcended genres reggae, dancehall, and soul, all merging seamlessly.
Yeah, there, don't bring me back.
The crowd swayed, lost in the magic of their lyrics. Pier 1's wooden deck seemed to float on the water, the harbor lights reflecting in Rebel's eyes as she sang about love, freedom, and the pulse of Jamaica. Swizzly's fingers danced on his guitar, each chord echoing the heartbeat of the island.
Come to family the first time I never look back.
And so, under the moon's watchful gaze, they boarded a boat, the rhythm of the waves matching the beat of their hearts. Rebel's laughter echoed across the water as Swizzly strummed his guitar, serenading her. Their friends clinked glasses, celebrating life, music, and the bonds that tied them together.
We can't see, but we can't float. Yeah? Ready? You like to need a bigger boat?
Look at first.
No, hold on.
Look at first. Look at one cross. Well, start.
As the boat glided along the coast, Rebel leaned into Swizzly's embrace. The stars above seemed to dance to their melody, and for that moment, the world faded away. They were artists, lovers, and dreamers, a constellation of souls navigating the sea of possibilities.
No, she's easy to walk with man.
Yeah.
Whether you are a Montagonian or just visiting the second city of Jamaica, Pier 1 is the place to party every Friday night. The party is called Peer Pressure, sponsored by Appleton's signature blend, and without a doubt the pressure is on. Relationship with Swizzly. Rebel and Swizzly have consistently portrayed a relationship on TikTok, sparking curiosity among fans. Videos and moments, they share playful videos, discuss their plans, and even address their breakup in live sessions. Social media has been buzzing with a video of Jamaican dancer Rebel and former cricketer Chris Gayle after the two surfaced in a video daggering each other at an event. The unexpected pair ignited excitement on the internet, with Rebel doing what she is good at, dancing her ass off, and Chris Gayle matching her energy in an impressive way.
Say comments, guys.
Swizzly and Rebel's chemistry extends beyond music. Their playful banter, shared laughter, and genuine connection make them a captivating duo. Whether performing together or enjoying downtime, their bond is palpable.
That's fine.
The ride under the Montego Bay Moon fictional in our imaginative tale, Sicily and Rebel perform at Pier 1 in Montego Bay, their voices harmonizing under the Caribbean moon. After the encore, they boarded a boat, surrounded by friends and family, celebrating life, love, and music.
So I forget someone. I'm so going to in inside. I get something to eat. I'm hungry really. So I'm gonna look something to eat again. Alright, my turn will come in then. That is it, my bro. On the side. On the side, yes, yes. Oh, it's video, bro.
What?
It's live, bro.
Oh, live, isn't it?
Take the fucking piss, yeah?
That's just live.
Yeah, come, good, sir. Can I see, sir? Is it live?
Yeah.
Alright.
Now smoke the ganja, that's enough. Yeah, man.
Go sit down. So, water.
Good. Water?
Yeah, water. Just my father. Jump up, I see that move.
Jump up.
That's about that, though. Let me turn the camera, cause. All right.
You ready for the ride? Yeah. Yeah, girl, I'm driving the boat today. Where again? I'd say you're crazy. Me is a captain. Me is a captain. You're crazy. Watch it.
What's this thing?
Hey, look at it.
Push the mic up a big line.
Thank you. No, I'm not going to sell me.
I got shot glass.
We
have chairs. Don't worry. We have not stressing. Watch out. You have not stressing glasses.
We have to take one shot. Phone was a stab it. No, we are smart.
Watch out. I bet you never know they get
Did that
Rebel.
Put on the tight touch. That's what I'm from live.
You have acting. You have glasses.
Come.
I don't want them all weird. No, I don't want them all weird.
Come, yo. Pick up, show them upstairs.
Did that to
You have the white.
You know what I
You have the white. And you have.
It's a dose of Magari. Don't touch here. Touch it. Don't touch it. Touch it.
Yeah, come upstairs.
Did that time. Guys, them, we can't see the name.
Marina Palm.
I'm not feeling far. You understand?
We can't see.
Marina shirt. Marina Palm.
They left school early.
Marina, where you
Marina Palm, not tetting. That them deal with door, they were tetting on me. Gotta get nipped out like that. Butter, baby get some people on a bomb. Did that man.
Yeah, go upstairs. Wait, what's up?
Yeah, be the kind of this bro.
Come here.
Oh, you're the fat. Don't show it up alive.
No, what is it? Before the pass, come put your name on this now.
You have your name? You sing up. Is it about to get? Wait, let me see what I'm getting glasses in there. Oh, look here.
What? No, pass. What the bag come here? Come, sir. And get to Cranberry. Them have chase. Cranberry. I see the board, father.
Oh, for where I see you go?
You can go Trinidad.
Trinidad?
Hey.
Cuba?
Put it up there.
No.
Hey.
It's for the Cuba. In Jamaica?
Put it up there. I don't long that. You want in Cuba the right or something? That, me say me people. Me say the people come here, me talk to you guys. Come talk to me for a minute. Cause I don't want to tell. Me not talk to you. No want to say me not talk to you. So come talk to you for 1 minute, me people. tight, guide the people them, the good people them dig me, and tell it to Tom, and the people them take care of we, give we liquor, give we boat, enjoy, them give we gift bag, anything I got, they say dirty go banana, say no no tip, dirty go banana, tell you put it out in tape, so then give we dirty go banana, and then give we dude. Yeah, we just enter my tape, and my people them, we just want to turn to everything, yeah, I mean, you know. Loving the tomato, loving the tomatoes, no put it too, no. Big up all of the gang them pan TikTok, but me love my team. Okay. Yeah. Oh, come on. He does.
They're afraid to move because they don't want to lose the front of the stage. They don't want to lose the front of the stage. So here you are. You see the people living in the middle and the back? Or you can jump around and everything because you don't care about the front. The people over there in the front.
Do you see my girlfriend? My girlfriend? My girlfriend?